Hi, this is Marie from Salter Fine Cutlery, and you're in our kitchen here again. And today we're going to show you our new budget knife that we've just started to carry. This is a 8-inch chef knife. It has a beautiful handcrafted curly koa handle made at our workshop here in Hawaii. It's a gorgeous bit of koa wood. It has a couple mosaic decorative pins. The blade is an 8-inch long blade, has a clad finish, in other words, no pattern on it. Perfect for having your company logo or personal sentiment engraved on it with either chemical or scratch etching. This would, for corporate gifts, this would also look wonderful in a box, presented in one of our curly koa wood boxes. Good corporate gifts for the holidays. This knife, because it is made by a small production company in Japan, the blade is 440C stainless steel. That keeps the cost down, but the steel is really great and will last for many, many years. It's a good quality knife, and to fit your needs if you're looking for a more budget-minded gift for someone.